straight because a flower petal is a little bit irregular. And I'm working wet in wet, meaning that as my paint is sitting on the canvas, it's wet, and I'm slowly building up the lighter values. Notice I'm just literally just pulling that color into the wet base. So this petal has to come around and join up with our other petal in that direction. So my brush strokes are going to be pulled in this direction, which is opposite to what we did with this petal. So very lightly, I'm just going to pull down right through. See, that's dragging in the natural form of the pattern. Of the petal. I'm just dragging that color right through and forming my petal as it comes and tucks underneath. And it lightens up really nicely. And I'm going to pull some of these right down into that point. Remember, I'm pulling towards this central area. So as I start at the top, one swoop, a little bit of pressure on your brush, and you can pull that color right down into the point. You can dip your brush back into white. And don't be afraid of it. We're working with such intense color that it's really going to show up an arc to it.